Hello. In this video, we intend to fund our Grand Capital Broker account using the cryptocurrency method, specifically USDT TRC20. We enter the dashboard. Here you can see the trading accounts. We can select the deposit option, also in the trading section.
7 powerful volume trading indicators: footprint, volume profile, and fast scalp. Level up your trading.
We can select deposit and withdraw and enter the process of funding the account. We choose the desired method for funding the account, which in our case is Tether TRC20. In this section, you select the account you want to fund. The desired currency is USDT. And to fund your account, you must do this with a minimum of $100. If you want to fund your account with a bonus, you need to enter the promo code in this section. We move on to the next step. We review the details related to funding. We select the account number, the amount, and the continue option. At this stage, you need to either copy the wallet address you see and paste it into the relevant section of your own wallet, or scan the QR code displayed. We have completed the transaction. We have transferred the amount. We return to the dashboard. In the deposit and withdrawal section under requests, you can see that to fund our account, $100 have been deposited via the TRC20 method. Its status is done, which means our deposit has been completed. Also, in the trading section, you can see the account number and the balance, which has been added to our account balance. In upcoming videos, we will cover other deposit and withdrawal methods in the Grand Capital Broker with you. Wishing you success.
Do you know why your profits are smaller than your losses? Because you don't analyze your trades, you just execute them. Download the Trading Journal app for MetaTrader 4 and 5 for free now.